Hey guys, welcome back to yet another helpful video from Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to blend two images in Midjourney. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to do that, you just simply have to open your Discord application at first, and after that open this Midjourney bot into Discord. Then go to the message section directly and type command blend into here. Then after that, you just simply have to select the images that you want to blend and then click to this send button. Now, after sending your command, Midjourney will start to blend the images. You just simply have to wait for the final result. And as you can see here, the images were successfully blended together. This way, you can easily blend two images into Midjourney. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.